Hello, my dear students. Let's start the past continuous tense. First, let's know what the form of the past continuous. The past continuous consists of verb to be in the past, was or were, plus verb plus ing. This is the form of the past continuous. We use the past continuous for action which was happening at a certain time in the past. An action was happening in a certain time and continued for a period of time in the past. For example, I was watching the match on TV at 8 o'clock yesterday. That means the action of watching TV was happening at 8 o'clock yesterday. Second use of the past continuous for an action happening when another action interrupted it, or there was an action happening and at the same time another action happened and interrupted it. But we use the past continuous for the long action, for the action which was happening and continued for a period of time. And we use the past simple for the action which interrupted it, which was the short action. For example, we were studying our lessons when the lights went out. Here we have two actions: the action of studying lessons and the other action which is going out the light. The action of studying is the long action, is the action which was happening and takes a long time. That is the long action. It takes time. And the other action which interrupted it is going out the lights, which is the short action. The other example: while I was having lunch, the phone rang. Here also we have two actions: the action of having lunch and the action of ringing the phone. The action of having lunch, this is the action which was happening and continued for a long time. This is the long action. And the action which interrupted the action of having lunch, which was ringing the phone, and this is a short action. The time expressions which we use in the past continuous. We have two time expressions. When, I use when to connect between two actions, and the sentence which comes after when is in the past simple. For example, she was talking on the mobile when the accident happened. Here we have two actions. The first action, which was talking on the phone or talking on the mobile, and this is a long action and it takes time. So the long action and which takes a long time will be in the past continuous. The other action which happening an accident is a short action, and this short action is the action which interrupted the long action of talking the phone. And the action which comes after when will be in the past simple. The action which comes after when will be in the past simple because it's the shorter action. The other time expression which we have is while. While also connects between two actions, but the action which comes after while will be in the past continuous. The action which comes after while will be in the past continuous. Here, while they were watching TV, their father arrived. Here we have the action of watching TV, and this is a long action, and this is the action which was happening, which was in progress, so will be in the past continuous. The other action which interrupted the action of watching TV was arriving father, and this is a short action, so will be in the past simple. Here the action which comes after while will be in the past continuous. Negative. To make negative in the past continuous, we use wasn't or weren't plus verb ing. They weren't watching TV. Ines wasn't cooking in the kitchen. To make yes or no question in the past continuous, we start the question with was or were plus subject plus verb ing. For example, was he studying English? Was at the beginning, he subject, studying verb ing. Yes, he was, or no, he wasn't. Were you playing football? Were at the beginning, you subject, pronoun, playing verb ing. Yes, I was, no, I wasn't. To make WH question in the past continuous, we start with question word plus was or were plus subject plus verb ing. Was and were here are the helping verb. Any WH question, question word plus helping verb, and the helping verb is changing according to the tense of the question which you are making. For example, what were you doing at 7 o'clock yesterday? What question word? Were helping verb, you subject, doing verb ing. I was watching TV. Thanks for your listening.